Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Curious Kids General Knowledge Book, Class 5th. Lesson number 15, Great Fighters of India. Each clue in the box leads to discover the person it is associated with. Write the name of the person in the space provided. Fought the British and lost. Tipu Sultan. Tipu. Tipu. Sultan. Sultan. Kept Punjab free from the British till his death in 1839. Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Maharaja. Maharaja. Ranjit. Ranjit. Singh. 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 Also known as Invincible Lady. Chand Bibi. Chand. Chand. Bibi. The founder of the Gwalior House. Ranoji Scindia. Ranoji. Ranoji. Scindia. Scindia. The one who challenged Akbar in the Second Battle of Panipat. Hemu. 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 The great Maratha leader who led the Marathas after the murder of the fifth Peshwa, Nana Patnavis. Nana. Patnavis. Patnavis.